Windows Update KB5040557 failed to install in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing such type of issue, then first workaround is go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and here type msconfig. It will open system configuration windows. We will clean boot our system. This is the first and initial workaround. Clean boot your system. Here from the top menu bar, go to boot and make the check against option safe boot. Thereafter go to services, hide all Microsoft services, make the check against this box and click on disable all. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and open task manager and look for enabled startup apps. Manually disable all of them. Simply right click on it. If you found any startup apps enabled, simply right click on it and choose disable. After that, close the task manager windows and click on apply and OK to save the changes, and check whether you may need to restart your computer. You must restart your system, so restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key. Settings. Here from the left side, choose system settings. Thereafter go to right side and here you will find the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot and choose other troubleshooters. Click on it. Here you will find Windows Update troubleshoot. Click on run and run the Windows Update troubleshoot. It will detecting issue, checking for pending restart and other features and fix your issues. This is an inbuilt feature of Windows system and you must apply Windows troubleshooters. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows run as administrator mode. Click on run as administrator mode and in command prompt windows execute the command as shown on your screen. These are the Windows Update components. So first stop these 4 services, execute these 4 commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. And first stop, thereafter execute these 2 commands one by one, software distribution and cryptSvc. Press enter on each time and thereafter execute these 4 commands to start the services which you have earlier stopped them. Start all the services. Execute this command in command prompt windows. All these command path will also available in my videos description box. You may copy from there. Now restart your system and check whether your Windows Update error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again right click on a start button and choose run command box, and in run command window type services.msc. You must start or restart some Windows Update related services. So open services windows in your system. Click OK. Services windows will open now, and here first services is background intelligent transfer service. Right click on it and choose restart. If you found it a stop mode, then first start it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. Cryptographic services. Look for cryptographic services. Same procedure, right click on it and choose restart. If you found it a stop, then first start it, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and the startup type set as automatic. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. The third one is Windows installer. Scroll down and look for Windows installer services. Simply right click on it and choose restart or start. Open its properties windows. You can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Right click on it and choose restart and a startup type set up as automatic. Press apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute DISM tool and SFC scan now tool. So first execute these three commands: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. It will scan your system, check your system health, and restore health if any problem found. Thereafter, execute the command SFC scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. After that, successfully execution of command, restart your system. Your Windows update fails to install, resolve.